In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable or disable HTTPS only mode in Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, look to the left-hand side of the window. You will see a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Privacy and Security. This section contains Chrome's main safety and browsing protection options. Next, click on Security. This is the setting that controls HTTPS only mode in Google Chrome. If you want to enable it, click the toggle switch so it turns on. Once enabled, Chrome will automatically try to use secure HTTPS connections whenever possible. If you want to disable HTTPS only mode, return to the same setting and click the toggle switch again so it turns off. With the setting disabled, Chrome will no longer automatically prioritize secure connections in the same way. If you do not see the option right away, make sure you are fully inside the security section and scroll carefully through the advanced area, since the setting may be a little lower on the page depending on your browser window size. That covers everything you need to know.